This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Fantastic single-level living just minutes to the heart of downtown Blaine. Welcome to Wilson Avenue. This is the floor plan you've been waiting for. 3 bedrooms with no stairs that features an open concept living / dining / kitchen design, hardwood flooring, granite counters, SS appliances, vaulted ceilings plus wood-burning fireplace. Delightful fully fenced yard with 20 by 34 patio, string lights and raised garden beds abutting a green space. Established neighborhood west / the flexibility of no HOA plus just steps to a community park. Bonus, RV hookup with water, sewer dump and 50 amp service plus attached 2-car garage. Ideal location west / easy access to I-5, 2 US / Canada border crossings and to downtown dining, shopping, schools and saltwater marina. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.